Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Plesk and move domains between subscriptions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the process of logging into Plesk, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for your Plesk login page. This URL is typically your server's IP address followed by the port number, like https:// your server IP 84. Press enter to navigate to the login page. You will see fields to enter your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Once both fields are filled, click the Login button. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to the Plesk dashboard. To move domains between subscriptions, navigate to the Websites and Domains section. Here, you will see a list of your current subscriptions and associated domains. Locate the domain you wish to move from its current subscription. Click on the domain name to open its management panel. In the management panel, look for the Move option. Click on the Move button to initiate the transfer process. You will be prompted to select the destination subscription for the domain. Choose the subscription to which you want to move the domain from the drop-down menu. After selecting the destination, review any additional options that may appear. Once you are satisfied with your choices, click the OK or Move button to proceed. Plesk will begin the domain transfer process. A notification will appear once the transfer is complete. You can verify the transfer by checking the destination subscription. Navigate back to the Websites and Domains section to view the updated list. Confirm that the domain now appears under the new subscription. If everything looks correct, your domain transfer is successfully completed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.